Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, at present, the Australian dollar is still attempting to challenge that topside level around 79.50, 60.65. However, we've got two dojis in place, one being a long-legged doji and the other a gravestone. Keep an eye on this because if we get a third doji, that would give a tri-star, which would indicate that the market may be staging a significant downturn as the ADX is overheating as it climbs above 40 on the axis, and along that we can see that we are overbought as well. If so, and this market does actually stage a significant downturn as the US dollar is attempting to at least show a little bit of a recovery, could see a move back towards the bottom side of the range seen around 78 cents. Looking at the euro, it took the challenge towards that 121.85.95 level and was rejected. However, not backing away as of much, with some casualties for the bullish case. Let's see if the market can again hold out when we have US Fed Jerome Powell speaking again on his second testimony at Capitol Hill. If we do see a rejection, then we could see a pullback as I anticipate down towards 119. As the technicals are buckling slightly. Bit of a tug of war is at the moment as we are locked in the range of 104.15.25 and the top side around 106.55 as the market is determined to try and recover, as we can see here with the snap to the upside with the RSI. I am a little bit skeptical to see how the market plays out in terms of we see a further bullish case in this last 2-day challenge. If so, then the market climbing above 105.75 would reinstate to 106.55. But until we get that break above 105.75, then we could still see that drop towards the region of 104.15.25. Now you're probably questioning why there's so much yellow here. Well, first of all, the pound rejected the level of 142.45. As we see from the monthlies, this was a key level back in 2017. From the rejection, may actually see further casualties in the bullish case and therefore could see the retreat from this region and look back towards the downside of 138. Let's see how the market plays into tonight. The Bank of England is giving a statement in monetary policy, so that could give a bit of a whippy price action and more to the fact choppy and volatile as well. So let's see if we have hit a roof or wall of resistance around 142.45 and a retreat. This has seen the market reach its topside objective somewhere around 148.50 to 150 level. It is a little bit tricky at this point unless we do see the sterling leg break down further. So keep an eye on that. If so, then we could be seeing a retreat now back towards the trend line, which if I draw it in, it's close to the region of 145.5. Very choppy price action for gold overnight after the Federal Chairman Jerome Powell gave a little bit of ease about the inflationary risks. However, we didn't get a close under 108.03. Now, until we get that close underneath there, still keeps the view to the top side of around 1,825 to about 1,855. However, a close under 108.03 does give some concern for a full pullback towards 1,765. From a technical point, I am a little bit concerned that we could see the bear case come back into play. Finishing off with oil, market again is a little bit choppy around this level of $61, $62 a barrel. We could still see a pullback to 59.30, and if break underneath there, and the technicals is a little bit concerning because they are showing bearish divergence from that challenge up and a weaker MACD. So a close under 57.30 would see, which is some way away. I do admit that we could see a pullback towards the bottom side around 57. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.